Our house. I'm Jane. Our house is situated on a hill in a small and nice village. It's big. There are four bedrooms, one dining room, one bathroom, and a kitchen. Our house is painted with white color. It gives more brightness to the house. There are many windows in our house, which creates more ventilation. So, inside our house is cool even on hot days. Fresh air makes us more comfortable. We have a nice garden with nice trees. Our mother and father plant flowers in our garden and we also help them. I have one big room which is nice. In our garden there is a specific area to play. We all love playing badminton in the garden during our leisure time with our family and friends. I spend my holidays at my house. Our house is my favorite place to stay. Our house is so beautiful. Did you listen and understand the paragraph? Now I am going to ask you some questions. Where do they live? In a village? In a city? How many bedrooms are in their house? Two bedrooms? Three bedrooms? Four bedrooms? What do they play in their leisure time? Cricket, badminton, swimming. Where does she like to spend her holidays? In her house, at playground, in a friend's house. Do they have a garden? No? Yes. What is the color of their house? Yellow, white, green. Do they have a small house? Yes. No. Do they feel hot inside their house? Yes. No. What is her favorite place to stay? House, beach, playground. Do they feel uncomfortable inside the house? Yes. No. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you are really interested in this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel.